Hi, welcome to ExamPadi. Come with me as we discuss the topic Introduction to Woodwork and Hand Tools. In this video, we will explore the terms woodwork and hand tools, highlight different types of hand tools, and also identify the examples for each hand tool. When you think woodwork, what comes to your mind? Wood is a porous and fibrous structural tissue found in stems and roots of trees. Wood is the main strengthening and nutrient-conducting tissue of trees. It is also one of the most abundant and versatile natural materials in the world, and it has great economic importance. It can also be sustainably managed as a renewable resource. Work is the act of engaging in physical or mental activity to achieve a result. Therefore, woodwork is the activity or skill of making things from wood. Examples of woodwork tools are chisels, planes, spokeshaves, and so on. Let's discuss hand tools and their types. A tool is an instrument or device used directly upon a piece of material to shape it into desired form, while hand tools are appliances operated manually without electricity. It could be chopping, chiseling, sawing, or filing. Hand tools are specifically classified on how they are used. They consist of 1. Geometrical tools, 2. Holding and supporting tools, 3. Cutting tools, and 4. Percussion tools. Let's discuss the previously mentioned hand tools. 1. Geometric tool. The magnificent works of architecture that we see around us would not have been possible without the knowledge of geometry. Geometric tools are instruments used to construct different types of geometry shapes utilized by carvers, carpenters, teachers, and so on to take length, width, and breadth dimensions. Geometric tools can also be referred to as measuring and marking tools. Measuring tools are calibrated equipment dedicated to determining the length of metal, wood, or plastic objects. Examples of measuring tools include the following: measuring tapes and rulers. These are used for taking linear measurements. Squares. Square can be used for marking and checking. Bevel gauges. These can be used for transferring and marking angles. Protractors and calipers. These are used for taking precise linear measurements. Micrometers. Micrometers are used for taking precise linear measurements. And lastly, scribes. Scribes are used for marking lines on a workpiece. 2. Marking tools. These are tools used to mark points during wood and metal processing. Examples of marking tools are pencil, marking knife, T-square, meter square, wind compasses, and marking gauge. 3. Holding and supporting tool. Holding and supporting tools are designed to support and hold a wooden board in a special manner while the work is being executed. These are designed to stand up to the motion of the machinery, often supporting the actual framework of a product. Here's a few must-have holding and supporting tools in the carpentry shop: G-clamp, hand screw, F-clamp, ratchet brace, sash clamp, bench vise, bench hook, and metal vise. 4. Cutting tools. Cutting tools are used for cutting pieces of wood or other materials. They are used in resizing wood to the required shape and size. Examples of cutting tools include chisels, coping saw, file, jack plane, fret saw, rip saw, dovetail saw, drill bit, bow saw, and hand saw. Lastly, percussion tools. Percussion tools are power-driven tools. These tools are used to make quick, strong movements in order to penetrate hard materials like stone walls, thereby creating holes in them. Let's explore some examples together. 1. Hammer. Hammer is used for driving in nails. 2. Spanner. A spanner is a wrench used for turning a knot, bolt, or similar fixings. 3. Mallet. Mallet is a tool used for imparting force on another object, often made of rubber or metal. 4. Screwdrivers. These are tools either manual or powered, used for turning screws. Answer the following questions to test your knowledge of this topic. 1. Distinguish between woodwork and hand tools. 2. Identify marking tools and measuring tools. And 3. Highlight 3 measuring tools. We've come to the end of this video. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye!